Hello everyone, I am Samantha, a realtor with Baylago Brokerage Inc., and this video was very highly requested. This is how to start building your credit. So if you have no type of credit building, nothing that's affecting your credit score, no loans, no car loan, even a phone loan, this is how to start from scratch. So I speak from experience. I got my first credit card when I turned 18. I knew I wanted to buy a house someday, and I knew I needed a credit score to do that. So I watched a couple videos, I did my research, and 6 months later, I was able to get my credit score to a 760. So hopefully this video can start you off and get you on the path to homeownership. Okay, so this video is just to get you started. Hopefully when you're done watching, you'll be encouraged to go and do more research and get more knowledgeable on the subject. So I'm going to make it very simple and break it down to 3 tips. The first tip being, get a credit card. So before you get your credit card, make sure you do your research because credit cards vary a lot on what they can offer. One might have a lower interest rate, but the other might have cash back. So make sure you're looking around. When I was doing my research, I found the Discover It student card, and it caught my attention because the first 6 months were interest free. And you shouldn't really need it because you should be making your payments on time, but just in case, it is a plus. If you're having trouble finding a credit card or even getting approved for one, you can ask your bank and they should be offering a secured credit card, and basically that's just when you put your own money into it and you spend based off of that. Okay, so you're done with the first step. You got your credit card in the mail and you're ready to use it. My second tip is spend within your means. Do not use your credit card if you don't have the cash in the bank to pay it. Do not use it as an emergency card. Use it only for something that you would usually spend it on. So if you have a phone bill or your insurance bill, use it on that because you know you're going to have to pay it eventually. Okay, awesome. So you got your credit card and you're using it responsibly. My last tip is your utilization percentage. Out of all the research I did, this is the one thing that stood out the most. What I found is the sweet spot is 25 to 35% utilization. So if you have a $1,000 credit line, you want to spend $250 to $350. If you don't have it, let's say you only have $200 bills that month, which was my situation, I let my mom borrow it and I let her spend it on gas or food shopping, and I was able to reach that number that way. So just make sure you give it to someone responsible and you know that they're going to pay you back in the end. Okay, so the hardest part is over. You watched your first video on how to start building credit. Hopefully this video has encouraged you enough to go and actually get your first credit card. If you need help with credit building because your credit score is bad, reach out to me and I have some recommendations for you. Again, I am Samantha, a realtor with Baylago Brokerage Inc. I'm here for all your real estate needs. If you need help with renting, buying, or selling, reach out to me. I'm here for you.